friends, get your pencils ready. We're going to be drawing a pit bull face. So, to start with, we are going to draw the big old pit bull nose, which is going to be kind of in the middle. So, we're going to start with a curved line like this. Then we're going to drop down like so, come in, and come around. Then we're going to drop down over here, come in, and come around. Then we're going to draw a line down the middle, like so, which is not completely straight. It kind of goes off to the side. And then we're going to bring that around to this, and bring it around to this, and there is that big old sweet pit bull nose. Now we're going to draw the top of the mouth. So we're going to come down, out, and out like this with a little C. Then we're going to come over here, drop down, come back around, and then it's going to kind of go up, up, up like that, kind of wiggly. All right, then we're going to come back over here, come down, that's where the tongue's going to be, and then come back around, and this is where the tongue's going. So now I'm going to put the tongue in, big old wet tongue, she's coming around and back in, and then we're going to have a little line coming down. And then we've got some little teeth here. There we go. All right, we're doing great. All right, now I'm gonna put a little line that's coming, let's see, how's this go? Comes back out of here, comes out and around like so, then it comes up, and it comes back up like this. And then it's got a flat spot like this, and here's the top of her head. Then we've got a line coming out from the ear, curving out, and then it's going to come back in and meet up like that. Then we've got this part right here that comes down. There we go. Have a little accent line, and there's one of her ears. All right, now her eye is going to be about in here. And we're going to start with a circle, and then we're going to put another circle in that circle. Fill this in, leaving a little bit of light for the shine. Then we're going to draw the outside of the eye that just comes around like so. And there's one of her eyes. Oh my gosh, she looks so sweet. Okay, now we're going to draw a line coming down, draw a little line around her nose like this, because they're very expressive with their eyebrows. There we go. Oh my gosh, she's adorable. All right, so now we're going to draw this side of the face. So this side of the face is more of the profile, whereas this side of the face we can see the face more. So on this side of the face, we're going to start about right here. We're going to come out, up, come out, curve around, and come up just a little bit like that. Then we're going to start the ear. It's going to come out from here. It's just going to come out, 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 and down. Then we're going to come about midway, come back around like so, and then we're going to have a line coming diagonal, out and diagonal down like that. And there is her ear. Oh, I forgot this part right here. It comes down and then matches up. There we go. And then she's got, oh my gosh, pup ears are so cute. Got some little accent lines in there. All right, now we've got the other eye. So this eye is going to be a little bit bigger. All right, and then here we've got a dark pupil inside, leaving some light, and I'm going to draw a line down and around There's her little eyebrow. Oh, so cute. There we go. There we are. All right, now we're gonna take and draw the body underneath. So we're gonna start where these little lines are right here by the mouth. And we're just gonna draw a big old chesty coming around, and then back here. Now I know this looks weird, but it's gonna make sense in a minute. And then we're gonna draw a little paw here, which is kind of like a wiggly letter U. Draw some paw lines. Draw some little fingernails, some toes. There we go. And then I'm gonna draw another one right here, only this one's gonna be way smaller because of the angle. And here's the little doggy toes. And let's put some lines on here for the musculature and stuff like that. Oh my gosh, this dog wants a treat. Okay, I'm gonna put a line here and here, so we've got sky and ground, and I think I'm gonna draw a ball here. And this is her tennis ball, I think. I'm not sure what tennis balls look like. We'll call it that, and I'll make it green, and it'll all be great. And wow, there we go. She is adorable. Hey, if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to Middle School Armenia.